Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tication easy guide. Start by selecting fresh water and quality leaves, then measure 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces. Heat the water to the appropriate temperature for your tea type and pour over leaves in a teapot or infuser. Cover and steep for the recommended time, then strain and enjoy your cup plain or with a touch of honey or milk. Water temperature and steep time make the biggest taste difference, so pay attention. For green tea, aim for 175 degrees F and steep 2 to 3 minutes to keep it bright and not bitter. For black tea, use 212 degrees F and steep 3 to 5 minutes for full-bodied flavor. Herbal and rooibos do best at boiling and 5 to 7 minutes. Adjust steep time one way or another for strength you prefer. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is perfect for keeping your water cold when you're prepping tea on the go, and it fits cup holders easily. I use it to carry filtered water for brewing away from home. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. The right tools make brewing easier and more consistent, so keep it simple. An infuser or teapot gives leaves room to expand, which improves extraction and aroma. Pre-warming your cup helps maintain temperature during steeping, and checking flavor midway lets you avoid over-extraction. If you like stronger tea, increase leaves slightly instead of steeping too long. Serve freshly brewed and enjoy with simple accompaniments like lemon or honey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.